In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Etsy's live chat feature, a useful tool for getting the assistance you need directly from Etsy's support team. Having access to live chat can significantly cut down on the time you spend waiting for email responses, helping you get quick and personalized help. Let's dive into the process so you can get the support you need efficiently. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Etsy account. This step is crucial as access to Etsy's support features, including the live chat, requires you to be logged in. Without logging in, you won't be able to initiate a chat. So, ensure that you've entered your credentials and are successfully signed in to your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Etsy Help or Contact Support page. You can do this by typing help.etsy.com into your web browser. The Help page is the central hub for navigating through Etsy's support systems and where you will find the live chat option. Now, here's a critical part. You'll need to select the category that best matches your issue. Common categories include shopping, selling, and account management. Selecting the right category is key because it helps the system determine if chat support is available for your specific issue and account. If live chat is available to you, you should see a chat bubble or a chat with us option appear on your screen. This option often pops up in the bottom right corner, so keep an eye out for it after choosing your issue category. However, if you don't see the chat option right away, don't worry. It might take a bit of exploring. In cases where the chat option isn't immediately visible, you might need to click through some additional links that provide further assistance options. You can look for the "I'll still need help" links in the Help Center. These links work a bit like a funnel, guiding you to a support page where the chat might be enabled based on your specific queries and needs. Once you see the chat icon, which usually manifests as a small speech bubble or button, click on it to start your chat session. You will then need to type in your question or describe the issue you're encountering. After you submit your query, just sit tight for a moment. A support agent will be on the way to help you with your concern. And there you have it. Following these steps should lead you to connect with an Etsy support agent via live chat, letting you address your issues promptly. Remember, the availability of live chat can vary based on the specifics of your inquiry. But by navigating the support system effectively, you can increase your chances of finding the chat option. I hope this guide proves helpful in resolving your Etsy-related issues quickly and easily.